Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, you're going to learn how to merge cells vertically, and more importantly, why you might want to merge cells vertically. Let's jump in. Scenario 1. Two vertical lists. Here we have two lists. They're vertical lists. Normally, the headers might sit directly above each list, but in this example, we've placed the headers to the left of the lists instead. Why? Because visually it can look more balanced and aesthetically pleasing. To make this layout work properly, we're going to merge cells vertically. How to merge cells vertically? First, select the cells you want to merge. Now go to the toolbar. Click the Merge Cells button. It's right next to the Borders icon. Click the drop-down arrow and choose Merge Vertically. That's it. Alternative method. You can also do this by going to Format, Merge Cells, Merge Vertically. Same result. Alignment matters. After merging vertically, you'll probably need to adjust alignment. Make sure to vertically align the text, horizontally align the text. We'll do the exact same thing for the names section as well. Make it pop with color. This layout really shines when we add color. For example, make the names a dark yellow. Make the category header a light yellow. Then for another section, make the countries a darker blue. Make the related header a lighter blue. Now the visual grouping is much clearer. Remove grid lines for a clean look. To really make this pop, go to View, Show, Unselect Grid Lines. Removing grid lines makes the design feel cleaner and more intentional. Scenario 2. Using vertical merge for design lines. Another aesthetic reason to merge vertically is to create strong visual borders. For example, cells C5 and C6 have been vertically merged. Now we can add borders around that merged section. This creates a clean vertical line that visually intersects with the header above it. It acts like a leading line for the eye. This technique is great for dashboards or formatted reports. Why merge vertically? Vertical merging helps with cleaner layouts, side headers, visual grouping, design-focused spreadsheets, creating structured borders. It's not just functional, it's visual. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets and design cleaner, more professional layouts, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.